Good morning. Myself, Dr. G. Swarnalatha, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. The topic which we are going to see is money and functions of money. Before the introduction of money, the barter system is prevailed. It is an old method of exchange. People used to exchange the services and goods for goods and services. So because of this, they are satisfied the basic needs and wants. So the definition given by some people such as Robertson, Seligman and Walker. So they have said that money is anything which is widely accepted in payments for goods or discharge of other kinds of business obligations. Seligman said that the money is one of the poses which general acceptability. According to Walker, what he said is, money is what money does. Next, we can see the functions of money. There are three types of functions. The first one is primary function, second one is secondary function, third one is contingent functions. In primary functions, two types: medium of exchange and measure of value. In the secondary functions, store of value, standard of deferred payments and transfer of money. Third one is contingent functions: measurement and distribution of national income, money equalizes marginal utilities and productivities, basis of credit and liquidity. Next, we can see the primary functions. In medium of exchange, money serves as a medium of exchange. So, it facilitates the exchange of commodities without double coincidence of wants and needs. Any commodity can be exchanged for money, and also people can exchange the goods and services through the medium of money. Next one is measure of value. The value of each commodity is expressed in the units of money. So we can call it as a price. In this view of function of money, the value of different commodities can be compared and the ratios between the price of different commodities can be determined very easily. In the secondary functions, we can measure the store of value. The value of commodities and services can be stored in form of money. For example, certain commodities are perishable such as milk, flowers, fruits, etc. So these are exchanged for money before they perish. So their value will be preserved in the form of money. The next one is standard of deferred payments. So money saves as a standard of deferred payments. So in this thing, one can borrow a certain amount of money and can repay it in future. Transfer of money. So money can be transferred from one person to another person at any place, in any place and any time. The next one is contingent functions. In the contingent functions, measurements and distribution of national income. So, nation's income of a country can be measured in money in aggregating the value of all commodities. Similarly, national income can be distributed to different factors of production by making payments to them in money. For factors of production, we can say land, labor, capital and organization. So, for each and everything, we have to give the money. If the labor is working, we have to give the labor as a wages. If we want to purchase the raw materials, we want to give the amount to purchase the raw materials. Next one, money equalizes marginal utilities or productivities. The consumers can equalize the marginal utilities of different commodities purchased by them with the help of money. Then they can maximize their satisfaction. Similarly, the firms can also equalize the marginal productivities of different factors of production and maximize their profits. Next, this functions of money can be broadly classified into currency issued by the central bank and demand deposits created by the commercial banks. Currency issued by the central bank. In any country, the central bank issues currency consists of paper notes and coins. In India, Reserve Bank of India, which is the central bank of country, issues notes in the denomination of rupees 1000, 500, 100, 50, 20 and 10. The 1 rupee note and coins are issued by the Finance Department of Government of India. Next, we can see the demand deposits created by the commercial banks. Bank deposits are prominent component of money supply. Commercial banks create credit from the primary deposits of money received from the public. Credit is credited in the form of deposits called these commercial banks. The next one is monetary aggregates. In India, money supply is measured in terms of following monetary aggregates. M1 is equal to currency plus